Hi everyone, this is Kathy Miller from Hagan Realty. Welcome to 2752 Hale Court, Waldorf, Maryland. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath Colonial is located on a private cul-de-sac and it is spot on beautiful. Let's go inside and take a look at this house. So whether you're someone that likes to cook or even just simply entertain, we've got gas on the stove top. We've got an outside seating area that overlooks a stream, and it is simply gorgeous outside. Doesn't matter where you are in the house, you can keep an eye on everything. Did someone say popcorn? 2752 Hale Court is located on a beautiful cul-de-sac. Privacy galore, this is where it's at. So thank you so much for coming out to the tour of the property. Scenic, lovely, this is where it's at. 2752 Hale Court, Waldorf, Maryland. Give me a call, schedule a showing. With Hagan Realty, you will be moved.